Friends, if you are a Samsung lover, this news is for you because Samsung has officially launched the 8th series of its folding series. In this, there is the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, the second is the Galaxy Z Fold 8, and the third is the Galaxy Z Flip 8, which have been officially launched. And talking about these smartphones, let's talk in detail. First, please like the video and subscribe to the Mobile Meter channel. Talking about the Z Fold 8 Ultra, we get a very big 8-inch display with 120Hz, and the display type is a dynamic LTPO AMOLED display. Talking about the backside display, we get to see a 6.5-inch display, that too with 120Hz. In this, we get Android 17 along with 7 years of major updates. Talking about the chipset, we get the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 in it, which makes playing games or doing any work very easy. In this, we get a triple back camera setup, a 200 megapixel main, a 10 megapixel telephoto, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide with 8K 30 frames per second video recording. Talking about the front camera, we get 10 to 10 megapixels with 4K 60 frames per second video recording. We get a somewhat average 5000 mAh battery with 45 watt fast charging. Talking about thickness, when it is unfolded, it is 4.1 millimeters, and when it is folded, its thickness is 8.9 millimeters. Now, talking about the second Z Fold 8, in this we get a 7.6-inch display with 120Hz. And talking about the backside display, a 5.5-inch display with 120Hz. In this, we get Android 17, along with the same 7 years of major updates. Talking about the chipset, in this too, we get the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is very good for heavy tasks. In this, we get a dual camera setup, a 50 megapixel main and 50 megapixel ultra wide, with 8K 30 frames per second video recording. Talking about the front, we get the same 10 to 10 megapixel cameras with 4K 60 frames per second video recording. Talking about the battery, we get a 4800 mAh battery with 45 watt fast charging support. Talking about thickness, when it is unfolded, we get 4.5 millimeters, and when it is folded, we get 9.7 millimeters thickness. Talking about the third phone, before that, subscribe to the channel. The third phone is the Z Flip 8. Talking about the display, it has 6.9 inches with 120Hz, and a second display of 4.1 inches with 120Hz. In this too, we get Android 17, along with the same 7 years of major updates. Talking about the chipset, we get the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. In this, we get a dual camera setup, a 50 megapixel main, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide with 4K 60 frames per second video recording support. Talking about the front camera, we get a 10 megapixel camera with 4K 60 frames per second video recording support. We get a slightly smaller battery of 4300 mAh with a 25 watt charger. Talking about thickness, when it is unfolded, we get 6.1 millimeters, and when it is folded, we get 13.1 millimeters thickness. Lastly, talking about the price of the Z Fold 8 Ultra is $2,099. The Z Fold 8 is $1,899, and the flip price is $1,199. If you like the video, like it and subscribe to the channel.